If you were to ask a technician all the way up to our senior management what the top 3 most important things are about durable product development, they'll all tell you the same thing: reliability, reliability, reliability. Durable products such as our eSpring water filtration unit and atmosphere air filtration unit are a very important part of the Amway business.
I work with the design engineers to reliability test our air treatment products. Our goal in the reliability lab is to find the weakest link in our products.
We have 3 different types of core tests that we do in the reliability lab. The first is called a mute test, where we're basically testing the product within its normal environmental ranges. The second type of test we have is called a MEOS test. The OS stands for overstress. Now we're going to take it beyond the normal limits that it would normally see in the environment and try and overstress it. And then we also have what's called a life test. And that's basically to try and have the unit function for a long period of time to see what would happen over the life of the product.
I work primarily on the eSpring water purification systems, and this is the ambient test stand, and we're simulating a customer using this in their home, filling up a glass of water, let's say. So what we do is flow water for 30 seconds on, and then we turn water off for 30 seconds, and we just continually repeat that protocol to accelerate life on the unit.
In most cases, we'll try and accelerate the test, and we do that typically through heat and temperature and humidity. This is encountered in some environments we sell in, but it also accelerates reactions and causes failures.
The maximum we'd ever expect the consumer to get on a product is about 20,000 cycles. And so that's, when I say a cycle, that's about 30 seconds of water flow. Here we tested at least double that, so we'll go to 40,000, typically 50,000 cycles, in order to get a safety factor on the unit and the design. We have certain protocols for worst case environmental testing and actually overstress testing. The overstress test, we're looking for weak links in the design or in the manufacturing of the eSpring units.
Our engineers have a nickname for the room.
We're known as Room of Doom. Our goal is to try to break the products.
They like to break things. And the reason why we like to break things is then we understand what the weakest point is. And that's where the opportunity comes in to make it better.
Besides the standard air treatment testing, we also have other testing like thermal imaging, which we use on our circuit boards. Heats the enemy with all our circuit boards. Whenever we have a component change, which happens quite often for various reasons, cost savings, company stops making the component, we need to validate that against our current production board. So we will thermally profile the 2 boards to make sure nothing's getting hotter.
It's important that we do this reliability testing in-house because it gives us closer control over quality. We don't have to rely on our suppliers for data. Understanding what the weakest link in the chain is so that we can fortify that and make a more robust product.